This is called the Daddy Book. One, two, three. Here you go. It's right here. Are you looking for the mommy book? It's right here. What happens here? Some daddies take pictures. Some daddies draw pictures of you. Some daddies wear suits. Right. Some daddies wear two different socks. Some daddies sing in the shower. La 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 la. Go ahead. Very nice. Good job. Some daddies sing to you before bed. La 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 la. What does it say? All daddies like to try new things with you. Good job. Cowabunga, dude. Careful. Lay it down. And lay it down, hon. There you go. Some daddies work at home. Right. Some daddies work far away. Yes. Some daddies cover you in sand. Yes, wahoo! All daddies like to watch you sleep. Yeah. They have tea parties. Right, right. They stop for donuts. Oh my goodness. What does it say? I know, it had the same page, right? You remembered, yes. Here, we'll find it. Look, look, it's right. Oh, did I go too far? We'll find it. Here it is. X and O. Or as Zoe says, X and 0. Good job. Okay, let's finish the Daddy Book. Very nice. Very good. They take a nap? Wow. So all daddies want you to be who you are. Your daddy loves you so much. More Daddy Book.